Good morning, folks. See, there's early pre-sunset light ahead of us. It's 7:12 a.m. Starting my drive from Lake Meredith, which was absolutely wonderful stay. A little windy, but you cannot be choosy. And now I'm heading to Black Canyon Campground near Santa Fe in New Mexico. Folks, we have beautiful sky in front of us. As sun rises, it highlights high clouds, making them glow in this ephemeral pink. We're going through Texas. It's very agricultural land here. Highway is going through neighborhood. Now we're slowing down to 65, but it was 75 just till then. So making good progress, obeying speed limits, because don't mess with Texas. Passing through agricultural city of Dalhart, Texas. As you can see, it's very much all business here. This is quite different from what I've driven so far. First views of foliage here in New Mexico. I'm enjoying it. I'm just in awe. New Mexico has its own beauty, its own grandeur.
Your destination is on the right.
Nice foliage to the left. I'm staying at campsite number 17. Good afternoon, folks. I'm at my campsite at Black Canyon Campground, just a few miles from Santa Fe, New Mexico. This is my campsite. As you could see, it's relatively flat. I should be able to level it well, so it's going to be no problem. Nice wooden table, very generous in proportions. We're literally going to be in downtown area in very shortly. I want to drive on a couple of streets here and then we'll continue on exploring. I think this is a mixture of older development and newer development, so you could see private residences and type of style they have. Some of them more established, the others are new or renovated recently. And we'll take a next street to the left. I think this is a very desirable part of Santa Fe because it's very close to the main streets, just maybe 1 or 2 blocks away, but away from the heavy traffic and noise and the touristy hustle bustle. Well, so far, seems like all houses in good condition, either being restored, renovated, or already remodeled. So I'm driving just to give us a sense of Santa Fe. And by the way, beautiful architecture here on East Alameda Street on the left side, and looks like a park on the right side. So finally we're on Canyon Road, and looks like it's a more of a pedestrian type of road, but I think we'll get much better perspective on what this street is all about by driving on it first, and maybe I'll come here for a walk just for my own exercise and stretch my legs. So clearly this is a touristy street where people like to walk in the middle of the street just because they can.
Well, this is the classic Santa Fe. This is historic Santa Fe. As you can see, all the buildings are close to each other and the street is narrow. It's very, very unique for a town in the United States. There's no other street like this. It's cute. It's very eclectic on one hand. On the other hand, very attractive and authentic. The fact that city goes a long way to enforce development and appearance of the houses, and people take pride in it, is wonderful. Some interesting house at the other side of the intersection. Scottish Masonic Museum. Interesting. That high-end apartment / housing complex, just to show you another lovely touch. We at City Hall go into the central section, and it is a covered walkway. Isn't that beautiful? Look at these columns and the support beams, which are round blocks of trees. Wow, they've done an excellent job. Bravo, New Mexico government. Catholic Church managed to wedge itself in the most drastic way, rather than complying with the spirit of the town in terms of architecture. It has to be a Gothic style. Plenty of interest in art. I think this is a really beautiful rug here. Wow. Well, this is a local inn. Look how beautiful those flowers are. Railway Yard Art District. And as a befitting shot, Rail Runner trains. Amtrak has a different design, not as modern, not as attractive. And here we have two of them next to each other. Great catch, great timing. They're in Santa Fe Site Museum. It's a major exposition here, and I look forward to exploring it. Let's walk around. Very interesting. It's a quiet place, so I have to talk very, very gently. Once within a time, summer map of Santa Fe, 12 Santa Fe International Art Exhibit. This is one of the sites, which was very impressive. I wasn't able to talk while inside of the museum, but I wanted to give you some perspective of what's available in Santa Fe. I just visited Santa Fe Site Art Exhibition. It's apparently citywide festival to receive the brochure. This is another exhibit hall on the left, View Blue Rain Gallery, also art exhibition. Lovers of art, it's an incredible opportunity to come and visit Railroad Art District in Santa Fe. This is a store which has, to my understanding, some of the art finishings for homes. So let's come in and quick look. Very interesting. Everything here is extra class because apparently there are many wealthy people living in the area. As a result, every shop has state-of-the-art exponats for sale from, as I mentioned earlier, from all around the world. So you could decorate your house to your heart's delight. So if you're interested in decorating your home, this is the perfect store. Just almost anything your heart desires. Very large size rugs, which would be difficult to find. And every corner, every nook and cranny has something stunning and beautiful. Look at the furniture section. It's a very fun place to visit. I understand now why it's such a popular place, though until now we haven't been here, and I was expecting much less, more of a provincial small town with kind of artsy-fartsy type of nachkas being sold along the main street, and that's it. And we're talking about really one of the centers of culture, the wonderful place. Beautiful table. Look at this setting. Wow. This is spectacular. Well, you saw it, folks. Incredible place. So there was an interesting store, and there are more stores like this. I think this is the art lovers corner of Santa Fe. If you'd like to come and shop here, they say that they bring items from all over the world. They have a person who travels, sees art, and brings it here to Santa Fe, to their store. Okay, it's noon. I walked around 6 miles around this wonderful city, and I'm returning back to my campground. What a wonderful place. We're definitely going, my wife and I, to visit again. I'm now back at my campsite, going to enjoy my food. We'll cover it for a second. And after I'm done, enjoy the time here at the campground. Listen to audiobook, sleep, and tomorrow is next road trip, the next destination, Cave Spring, near Sedona, Arizona. Look forward to seeing that campsite and what I could do there, and look forward to sharing with you what I see. Until tomorrow, goodbye.